Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you how to take the screenshot of your desktop screen and also save it as a PDF file as well. So for this we are using this Python script here. If I just show you, if I execute the script here, you will see it will take the screenshot and also it will convert this into PDF file as well. So taken the screenshot. So this is actually, you will see, taken the screenshot PNG file, and then it also converted this into PDF file as well. So you will see it created two files, this script. As soon as I executed this, first of all it taken the screenshot, this is your PNG file, and then it also converted into PDF file as well. So these two files is it created. So for automating this process, we are using a library called as PyAutoGUI. This is actually a very famous library which lets you control uh, appli your mouse and keyboard or other automation task you can do inside your application. So this is actually a Python library. Simply install this, pip install PyAutoGUI. I've already installed it, and also we are using the pillow library as well, which is a image processing library. We also need this library as well, so simply install this as well, pip install pillow. I have given all the source code in the description of this video. So now let me show you how to uh, write this code step by step. So just create a simple app.py file. And now let me show you from scratch. So first of all, you need to require the necessary packages. So we simply say import PyAutoGUI, and then from the pillow library PIL, we need to import the image class. After importing the modules, we just need to specify where we need to save the screenshot. So here we will be using this PyAutoGUI method, which contains the screenshot method. So it will automatically take the screenshot once you execute the Python script using this method. After that, here we need to specify at which path we need to save the image file. So here we will be specifying we need to save it right in the current directory screenshot PNG, and then after that we will invoke this save method, which will save the screenshot at that particular location, and we will pass the path here, screenshot path. So what now, if I execute the script now, it will take the screenshot and then it will save this screenshot.png file. You will see that. So as soon as I execute this, it takes the screenshot automatically by using this PyAutoGUI screenshot method, and then it saves at that location. But we also need to convert this image file to PDF file as well. So for converting that, we now need to use the pillow library. We need to open this image, and then we need to convert this into, first of all, convert this into RGB, red, green, blue, alpha. And then here we need to make the output path here, which will be the out uh, output.pdf file, and then we simply need to say open image save output path. That's all that we need to do. Once we get the image file, then we simply open the image by using the pillow image class, then we convert this into RGB, then we save this as a PDF file. So now what happens if I again rerun the script here? It first of all take the screenshot and then it converts it into PDF. So in this easy way, you can use this Python script to automate taking the screenshot and also converting it to PDF file as well. So So this is a very useful library, PyAutoGUI, which is a automation library for controlling mouse, keyboard, anything you can control inside Python. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.